Hello and welcome to the next section called Basic Swift Programming Concepts. In this section, as the name implies, I'm going to teach you all of the foundational ideas that you need to get building complex and useful apps and even games, and we're going to do it using Xcode playgrounds, which are, as you can see, a way to explore new ideas quickly and easily. That's very true. You're going to see it looks very different from the Xcode project environment. It is a little different, but for this purpose of teaching you the basics of Swift, it is actually the perfect tool. So that's what we're going to do next. You are actually going to learn the Swift language, and by the end of it, you'll be extremely surprised at how much you know. And then following this section, we're going to start using everything we learn in this section to start building some real functional apps that can do a lot of different things. So I will see you in the next lecture, and we will start our first lesson on the Swift language using playgrounds.